What will be the value of x given that you have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x squared equals 15? Let's have it to be solution. So we have here to be 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x squared. Then we can simplify 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. Then from here, let's divide through by 5. It is obvious that this and this will cancel. So we are going to have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x squared divided by 5 to the power of 1 equals 3. Then let's also divide through by this 3 to the power of x. We divide here by 3 to the power of x. This and this will also cancel. So we are going to have only from the left 5 to the power of x squared divided by 5 to the power of 1 equals 3 to the power of 1 divided by 3 to the power of x. So from here we can see that they have the same base as this. By applying the law of indices, that says when you have this type of problem, then we take one base, we subtract the power, it will now be x squared minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Now from here, let us introduce log to both sides to get the possible value of x. So we are going to have log 5 to the power of x squared minus 1 equals log of 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Then from here, this we have x squared minus 1. We come down to the base as multiplied by log 5 equals this power will come down to the base as 1 minus x, then multiply by log 3. Then from here, let's divide through by log 5. This and this will cancel. So we are going to have x squared minus 1 to be equals 1 minus x. So we can rewrite this expression as log of 3 in base 5. Then let's take the whole of this expression to the other side. This implies we can re-express this as x squared minus 1 squared. They are the same. Then let's group as this. Taking this one, we have minus into 1 minus x log of 3 in base 5. Then we should set everything to be equals 0. Then from here, we can have this as difference of 2 squared. This will be x plus 1, then multiply by x minus 1, difference of 2 squared. Then when you open the bracket with minus, here will be plus x minus 1. Then multiplied by log 3 in base 5, and everything equals 0. Now from here we have x minus 1 in common. So when we factor it out, here will be x minus 1. Then we have this, we open another bracket. The whole of everything here divided by this, we only have x plus 1. Then the whole of everything here divided by this, we only have plus log 3 in base 5. Then we should set everything to be equal 0. Then from here, for this expression to be equal 0, is either we have x minus 1 equals 0, or we have x plus 1 plus log of 3 in base 5 to be equals 0. Now from here, from the first degree solution, we have our x to be equals 1. So we can declare this as x1 equals 1. Likewise, from here, we have x plus 1 plus log 3 in base 5 to be equals 0. Taking the whole of this to the other side, so we are going to have x equals minus 1 minus log of 3 in base of 5. And this implies we are going to have our x to be equals, let us factor minus outside, here will be 1 plus log of 3 in base of 5. So finally, we can say this is x2 and our x1 equals 1. Now to check, we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x squared, which equals 15. When x equals 1, let us verify. We have here to be 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 squared. Then it's going to give us 15. We have here to be 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1. 1 to the power of 2, we have it to be 1 multiplied to the power of 1. We have here to be 5, which equivalent to 15. 3 times 5 will be 15 equals 15. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. So we can also check for the second solution, where we have our x to be equals minus outside 1 plus log of 3 in base of 5. Now remember, we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x squared, which equals 15. Then let's substitute this and see what will happen.